Hi, my name's Tony again, and I'm from Bathroom Spare Parts, and today we're dealing with a Victorian Plumbing Milan square thermostatic bar mixer. So we're just going to have a quick look how we get the two valves out, which is fairly straightforward. First, we need to remove the cap, which is quite fiddly on these showers. You put a screwdriver in here and prise it off. Put that to one side. And then next is to remove the handle, which is just secured by a Phillips screw in the end. There's the screw, handle pulls off, there's a square little clear washer there. Next is to remove the temperature limiter ring, which is put on the cartridge. So you can remove that, keep that to one side. That exposes the thermostatic cartridge, or the top of it anyway. And now we use an adjustable spanner and go onto the shanks that are on the valve of the thermostatic cartridge and just undo. And then that pulls out, and there you have a thermostatic cartridge. And obviously, just to replace the new one, if you put the new one in, just tighten it up, don't over tighten it, it's got O-rings, and then the temperature limiter. Now, temperature limiter obviously works in conjunction with the control, thermostatic control, that will need calibrating. Just mark that position, little washer there, and obviously a handle.